Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve speaking skill using a short story with uses have to or has to. Then, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence, and then you should try to memorize it and retell it. Well, we use have to or has to express necessity. We use have to for I, you, we, and they. Then we use has to for he, she, and it. Then the pattern is subject plus have to or has to plus verb 1. Now, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence to improve your speaking skill. Alright? Jackie is still in factory. She is in a small room. Of course, she doesn't want to stay there, but she cannot leave. She has to stay there. She has to sit in this chair, and she cannot get up. Frank Mitchum has to stay there too. He has to watch Jackie all the time. Okay, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence and try to memorize it. I will ask you some question about it after it. You should also try to retell it. Okay. Jackie is still in a factory. She is in a small room. She has to stay there. Of course, she doesn't want to stay there, but she cannot leave. She has to sit in this chair, and she cannot get up. Frank Mitchum has to stay in the room too. He has to watch Jackie all the time. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please listen and answer my question. Question number 1. Is Jackie still in a factory? Question number 2. Does she have to stay there? Does she want to stay there? Can she leave the building? Does she have to sit in this chair? What about Frank? What does he have to do? Does he have to watch Jackie all the time? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.